Hey, thanks for checking us out. We're going to be talking about 7 profitable niches on YouTube. We're going to be focusing on their RPM, the revenue per 1,000 views, or revenue per milli. This is Crossin' Seas. I'm Court Crossin'. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. I really like hearing from you guys. Also, in the description box below, you'll see the link Internet Business Startup Kit and my #1 way to make money online. Both are free. Just give me your best email and I'll be able to send you the gift right away. Alright, now let's go look at the 7 profitable niches on YouTube. 7 profitable niches on YouTube. Finding profitable niches on YouTube can be tricky. YouTube is a place with tons of competition, but there's also an insane amount of opportunity as well. While people are aware of many YouTube millionaires out there, there are many thousands of content creators who make a comfortable full-time living off of YouTube in a wide variety of niches, making a number of videos. But not every niche is created equal, especially when it comes to revenue per 1,000 views, RPM, or revenue per milli. While it's easy to look at the highest RPM niches and say those are most profitable, and to some extent that's true, keep in mind that going in a niche with a lower RPM but much less competition might be the right move for you, especially if you have expertise in that area that sets you apart. Expertise, charisma, and SEO. It's important to take a moment to realize that even more important than the niche you choose is what you have to offer. Money topics are incredibly popular, but if you haven't done anything in that niche, you're not going to be able to make good enough content to stick out. Some niches require serious charisma while others don't, and learning the basics of how YouTube ranks videos and how SEO works is important to success in any niche. But having talent or devotion to one of these popular niches definitely helps. Alright, #1 niche is gaming niche. The gaming niche is consistently ranked the highest paying by RPM niche on YouTube. There are hundreds of millions of views on gaming videos on a daily basis, ranging from playthroughs to strategy video games, group games, or let's play series of games. In addition to this, big names in the gaming niche get a variety of free game offers and sponsorship opportunities. Gaming has plenty of opportunity, but it requires a lot of passion, charisma, and it's incredibly highly competitive. But there are a lot of millionaires in this niche on YouTube. #2, beauty niche. The beauty niche is home to some of the biggest names in YouTube and covers a variety of topics from mastering the basics, learning inexpensive hacks to mimic pricey designs, or by going all out with incredible looks and step-by-step makeup tutorials to truly stick out in the crowd. You need expertise in this field and can't be camera shy. But if you have those things covered and can create an incredible look, then you're set to go. Alright, #3, the do-it-yourself niche. YouTube has become the biggest educational hub in the world, and do-it-yourself videos can be incredible. Want to build a custom computer? YouTube it. How do you do X in a new apartment house? YouTube it. Want to build a cabin from scratch? Learn automotive skills? Pick up new skills without paying for classes? YouTube it. The do-it-yourself niche is huge, and there are some channels that have seen incredible success in less than a year, focusing on just one type or style of do-it-yourself. So don't think you're too niche. If concrete do-it-yourself projects can build up 1 million subscribers in 6 months, what you know and do could have just as big an audience. #4, technical niche. Even for technically inclined people, troubleshooting computers and tech issues can be hard. For the rest of us, it's even worse. Step-by-step videos tackling technical issues on YouTube have some serious potential to get a lot of views and make income. A friend of mine who once worked for GoDaddy made an incredibly specific video on a very specific error he ran into one time. The type of thing you can't Google and find an answer to. Despite being incredibly narrow in scope, that video gets 8,000 views a month, and it pays high RPM ads and only took him 20 minutes to put together. Tech is a great niche. #5, the finance niche. The first or second highest paying RPM on YouTube, depending on which list you believe, and huge names everyone recognizes, comes from finance. It is also an incredibly competitive niche, so you need to have something new to offer, and you better be in it for the long haul. #6, the travel niche. There are some serious options out there, but the RPM can be hard. Unless you blow up into one of the biggest names on YouTube, your best bet is to go very niche and grind out a following most interested in a specific topic, an area, or lifestyle of travel. This is one of the hardest niches on YouTube to break into as a really big name. #7, the fitness niche. Showing exercises, talking about diet and health, and putting together workouts can definitely get some serious attention and advertising dollars behind your YouTube efforts. But everyone will expect to see you, so you better look the part. There are many sub-niches within each of these categories that can definitely be considered their own profitable niches on YouTube. There are many profitable niches on YouTube that aren't even close to being oversaturated yet. If you're willing to do a little bit of research and commit to one of these categories you're passionate about, you can still make your mark on the world's largest platform. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I really like hearing from you guys. Below there's 2 links I want you to click. It's for my Internet Business Startup Kit and my #1 way to make money online. Click on those links. They're free. Just give me your best email and I'll send them straight to you, and they're a gift from me. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.